pressed between the pages of the years you spent with me. Funny how you always show up unexpectedly, right out of the blue. I was driving in the country just to pass the time. Suddenly you were there, dancing in my mind to a song on the radio from so long ago, right out of the blue. It picks me up right out of the blue to remember the treasure of you. Your love was a gift that keeps being reviewed, right out of the blue. I really need these moments with you to recapture the pleasures we knew. These heartfelt refrains soften the pain, right out of the blue. Yesterday I came across an old memory, pressed between the pages of the years you spent with me. Funny how you always show up unexpectedly, right out of the blue, right out of the blue. Eventually, you will return and bring your love to me. Deep in my heart, I know it's meant to be. Eventually, someday, somewhere, you'll be pretending that you just don't care. You'll look into your heart and find me there. Eventually, and given time, the gentle rain can smooth the jagged stone. Things work out when they are left alone, and maybe that's the key. And I believe that true love never really is. It's there to bring you back to me. Eventually, eventually, you'll be surrounded by the memories reality.